Good morning, students. Now, for you, I'll say one method that is finding square root through subtraction of successive odd numbers. Finding square root through subtraction of successive odd numbers. How we should do, we'll see it. So here 49 square root you have to find it. So you want to find the square root for 49. So successive odd numbers. What is first odd number is 1. So here this 49, from 49 subtract first odd number 1. How much you got here? 48. Very good. So the result you have to take it again. And what is second odd number? That is 3. Odd number means the number which won't go in two table. That is, okay, 48 minus 3 is how much here? 45. Again this result take it. What is the next odd number? 5. 45 minus 5 is how much here? 40. Take this one, 40. Again next odd number is 7. 40 minus 7 how much here? 33. Again 33 take it, and 7 after the odd number is 9. Okay, so how much you will get it? 9 means 24. Very good. 24 minus next odd number is how much here? 11. So 24 11 minus 11 means 13. Again 13 minus 11 after next odd number is 13. 13 minus 13 is how much here? 0. So if you got 0, it is having a perfect square root. And how many steps are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At 7 steps you got 0. You can write here step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7. So you got 0 at step 7. So 49's square root is 7. You can write like this. So it is one method. If it is a big number, it is too difficult to do it. Okay. So another method of finding a square root, we will see it here. Another method is I will take another number as 784. Okay. The method of this is prime factorization method. Finding square root by prime factorization method. By prime factorization method. How we have to find square root by using prime factorization method, we'll see it. This 784, see in units place. In units place you have even number. Even number means like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If in units place, if you are seeing among these 5, any number is there, this entire number becomes even number. So in units place, from this any number is there or not? 4 is there. So it is which number? Even number. So if it is even number, prime numbers start with 2 only. So if it is even number, always you have to divide with 2 only. That's it. Now how to do division? Here first digit is what is there here? 7 is there. So 784, if you want to divide with 2, how you will do division here? Like this. Same you have to do here also. 2. 7 is there. 2 3s are how much here? 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are how much? 8. Here 7 only is there. So you can't write 2 4s are 8. So you should take 2 3s are 6. From 7 you should subtract 6 and write answer here 1. And you have to take 8 as down here 18. Same I am doing here without doing like the division. 2 is there, 7 is there. So 2 3s are how much here? 6. In mind only, from 7 you have to subtract 6. You are getting 1. And 8 take down 18. Again 2 table you have to read up to 18 will come like this here. 2 table if you read, when 18 will come means 2 nines are 18. 18 minus 18 0. But 4 is there again here. 4 will be comes down. So 2 table you have to read again to get 4. 2 2s are 4. So 784 if you divide with 2, what answer you will get it? 392. Here same thing you have to write it here. 2 3s are 6. 2 9s are 18. 2 2s are 4. So you divided 784 with 2. If you don't know this, you have to do in rough like this, and this answer you have to write here. Then again, what I said, in units place, among these, if you see any number, it is even number I said. 392. In units place, what number you are seeing? 2. 2 is there in this or not? Yes. So, this 392 becomes which number? Even number. If it is even, I said to divide with 2 only. Now, how to divide 392 with 2? Just now I said, same. 3 is there. First you have to come from left to right in division. So 2. 2 ones are how much here? 2. From 3 subtract 2. You are getting 1. Take 9 down. 19. 2 nines are 18. 19 minus 18 is 1. Take 2 down. 2 6 are 12. So same you have to do division like this only. 2 ones are 2. From 3 subtract 2. So you are getting 1. 9 take down. 2 nines are 18. 19 minus 18 is 1. Take 2 down. 1 2 means 12. 2 6 are 12. Again, what is 196? In units place 6 is there. So, in units place 6 is there, it is even number. Again, it will go in 2 table. 2 9s are 18. 2 8s are 16. Again, 98. In units place 8 is there. It is even number. 2 4s are 2 9s are. Now, in units place you didn't have 9. So, you should not do with 2 here. In 2 table 49 it won't come. So 3 table it won't come, 4 table it won't come, 5 table it won't come, 6 it won't come, 7 it will come. 7 sevens are how much here? 49. So this like this division is called prime factorization division method. So what you have to do to get square root means square root of 784 is nothing but what you have to do is all you should take it. So how many 2's are there? So this entire I written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2's are there and 2 7's are there. So square root of 784 means what you have to do is same numbers you have to make it as a pair. Same numbers 2 2, 2 2, 7 7 like that. Different numbers it won't be pair. Same numbers will be paired. So among pair, 1 only you have to take down. This is one pair of 2. So 1 2 take down. It is another pair of 2. 1 2 take down. Another pair of 7. So take 7 1. So 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. The meaning is 28 into 28 if you do it, you are getting 784. So 784 is having a perfect square root. 784 is a perfect square. It is a perfect square number. So some doubts you will get it. That is, sir, if we won't get pairs, one number is remained, what happens? So what happens means it is not a perfect square. You can't find by using prime factorization method and you won't get exactly. See 2 2's are 4 you are saying. 3 3's are 9 you are saying. So between 4 and 9 you have numbers 5, 6, 7, 8. These are not having square roots. Root 5. So 2 point something will come. Exactly a number it won't come. Root 6. Exact number it won't come. Like that, 4 and 9. Root 4 means you are saying 2. Root 9 means you are saying 3. Between some numbers are there. They are not perfect squares. That's it. You can't find the square root for that. Okay. Next, if you go for next one, how to find square root by division method. It is very important. So why I'll say to you just now. 169 is the seat. 169. So 169 if you want to do prime factorization, 169 won't go in 2 table, won't go in 3 table, 4 table like this, it won't go. Okay. So then how to do this one is you have another method. what you have to do is take lines, draw lines like this. For every 2 digits you have to take a bar like this. Okay, first bar is there for 1. Here whatever number you are taking, here also take same number. 1 ones are 1. And take 69, take down. 1 is doubled. 1 is doubled means 1 should be multiplied with 2. So here 2. In units place you have to write one number. If you write 1, you should multiply with 1 only. If you are writing 2 here, 22 twos you have to write. If you are writing 3, you should write 23 threes. So 3 is there, 3 is there. 23 threes how much here? 69. So you will get a doubt that why you wrote 3 here. Because 9 when it will come, 23, 3 3 is the 9 or not? Like that, 4 4 is 16. If you have 6 here, you should see 4 you have to write like that. So you got 0. This is called the answer 13. 13 is square root of 169. So this in prime factorization method how you have to write is 169 you have to write, 13 13 you have to write, because 13 is a what? Prime number. So in 13 table only 169 it will go. So up to 13 checking is very difficult for us. So that this method is easy, but this method you have to get means you should do more and more practice. So in this method I will do another problem, that is 1296. How to find square root for 1296? So what I said to you, make pairs from units place onwards, right to left you should take pairs. So 96 is pair, 12 is pair. Now take 12, first pair is 12 or not? Take 12 and you should write same numbers and you have to multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 becomes small one. 3 3s are 9, becomes small one. 4 4s are 16, 16 become greater than 12. So you should not write 4, you have to write 3. 3 3 is a 9, you have to write it. 12 minus 9, if you subtract, you are getting 3. This 96, see, you can't take 9 down. It's not a division, it's another method of finding square root. So you have to take this 9 and 6 paired means combined. So alone 9 it won't come. This entire bar number will come, 96 will come. Here whatever number is there, that should be multiplied with 2. Double it means multiply with 2 and write in tens place. 3 2s are how much here? 6. And 60, here you have to write some number, with that number you have to multiply it. So 6 you are getting. When you will get 6, 64 4s. 4 4 is 16, 6 1, 4 6 is 24 plus 1, 256. So 4 if you write, 256 you are getting, but here 396 is there. So which two numbers you will give in units place? 6 means again 6, 66 6. So 6 6 is 36, 6 6 is 36 plus 3 is 39. You are getting 0, 36 is square root. So like this you can find out square roots. Okay, in decimals also we will get it. These two methods you have to do practice. So if you understand well, if you did not understood, I'll do another problem here. 82, 81,